Hello everyone, good evening once again. I'm back. So and my battery now you're on yours now. Thank God I don't spend much hours online, so the battery run now. But I have to finish, I have to say bye-bye to you all. And I say youth, use your brain to this my teeth way break. So even though una no respect me say I get small body. If you lose this teeth, you know say not with today this teeth break, it don't pass 15 years. So I'm telling you to use your brain, think right, and choose right. Stop give belle dey go. Stop impregnating women. Women. Me they call them women. And that one 90 for the sweet pass. Okay, women. Stop impregnating them. And the youth wey say they want to see be woman, women. You too, man don born 4, born 3, you no get work. Even they get work, the money wey they receive, you know as they reach. You see they carry belle because they born for that kind of person. Una use una brain, okay? We not force you to abort your baby. We not force you to abort your pregnancy. But we say choose right, think right, and face reality of life. God bless you. We love Africa. We are the lover of truth. Don't forget, say una dey the award truth.egesoba TV channel. We get our group. So if you like, you join our group. If you like, you just join us for our page and try to correct us because we love correction. And today, I don't do the part 4A, which almost 2 hours. It don't dey Facebook. So I'll try to make I put them for everywhere later. So if you like, watch and correct us. Pick your sense. It not mean say you must comment because some people don't want live. Just lay your own sense and leave and just leave the rest like that. God bless you all. And for the boys when they, the youth when they, I don't tell you if you not see condom, make one a tie up a bag. It's good to time. If you not see get condom, you tie up a bag. So I want to much get battery, so I just have to go now. I think today I go take for line. At least I spent 2 hours plus. I be talking. I try to talk. Thank God say you just give me the gift of talking. And the talking. So that's so the matter tell be. Now so you can't end. I am not against you. I am not with you. But I stand for truth. I stand for good life. I stand for good health. So youth to the alone move along back bang. To see this my teeth. If I open and I go and I open my mouth again. People say it's a fate. I go they open my like that. I love to open my mouth jare. When they see my teeth, say I not be small picking again. They say bomb me. I don't tell them if you not say respect me, respect this teeth when don't break for front. Youth, next time, that kind of thing. Do rubber bag. You can't do rubber band. Use a holland. You tie about talent. And take holland. So I know to me go take tablet now. I want those girls who say their hair don't do waka. All of them they want bomb. At least they will see get one. So nobody can use their sense again. So anyone can come. So it don't make our youth they lazy. Yes, we have a lazy youth. The youth will say they no one get wife for us. They don't say that big responsibility. They go there to give better the waka. So they say according to they say the kid don't grow, he go look for their papa. So that is lazy youth. Yeah, and true. We have some lazy youth. We need to face reality. So I am the lover of truth. And where would they so that the hour of truth? Oh, say the truth. Maybe I'm one of the lazy youth now. Maybe me too. I say be one of them, and we all will call lazy together. But we can't use our brain. So youth, we can use our brain and stop impregnating them. So impregnating everywhere. God bless you. So if you just finish like this, I know say the matter for today it already end. Because I don't get battery. I love you all. I love my youth, my people now. Man, not verse for me, but I'll talk truth. And true, we have some lazy youth. Yes, I go to give belle or the waka. They used to do something. Or alakama shishe. We not give belle, get married. Marry put for us. They work on, they take care of your family. Plan life, plan work. Family planning, plan everything around. Not be only belle matter. Plan everything around. Not for abortion, nobody they force you now. So God bless you. So we need to use our brain. If you hate abortion, you use your brain, and it's not good to be doing abortion anyway. It's not good. But me, I'm not with you. I'm not against you in this matter because some people did that condition. So you not feel forced person to do what no one do. Nah, their personal matter, their body, their personal decision. So you don't concern anybody. Don't be waiting. We're supposed to put our mouth on the debate. So we beg our government to support and encourage the right thing, to encourage the good thing. So to save people's life, to save those mothers' life. To Ibadan, Tiago for they say better tomorrow. God bless Africa. I love you. This my mouth I open now. I open my mouth. Man, don't insult me if I come I don't like I'm. If I don't want to respect my stature, the way I be, say I get my body. This teeth, see, not be today the thing break. You don't pass 15 years. Respect the teeth and think right. Use your brain. Next time, tie rubber bag. Where is the guest? Where them? When I tie rubber bag now, I'm not going to say condoms. I'm not coffee whole body again. You tie rubber bag. You call the rubber bag and tell you all not the same now. So far, come on, make it go born 10 women, 10 children. So if you share now, you don't get money. And the one I was past. If you get money, I will say because that the money we get. God bless Africa. I love you all. She ain't told no they say again. So we just have to work and plan right. God bless you in Jesus' name. We dare like to poverty, not be our fault. My deploy music they go. So now weekend. I'm very happy. I take for line today. Yes. I dance. I'm online. This is my viewer. God bless you. I don't want to watch view me. God bless you, sour man.
I'm killing the beat and I'm giving them heat.
I like to use well. They give you hope. They use my brain now.
I'm living my life. I don't talk about me.
Testimony they give so. You, man, give us testimony. No, they give wherever they work again. Okay, you back? The network is back. Network, are you back? Okay, you are welcome. I say, oh, thank you very much. I was saying, well, I always say, oh, a comment, oh, but when they what you want, go to work, a fancy name, or robusta, and we talk at tea. Wow, thank you very much. Mucho gracias. God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you. I'm happy. For real, it's good to be happy. I'm just happy. I'm happy. So, is the conclusion, the end, the final. But if you look at it, they call me say, Mr. Faith, this thing, so supposed to go in different direction. I go see carry and come back. And the reason you go feel do and better, you are free, oh, go and do it. God bless you all. Love you. Love you, everybody. But no, stop a good thing. God bless you all. I love Africa. Yes, so. Benny.
So I'm using my sense to gather the property.
Yes, so.
No time, like a statue of liberty.
Opa, nobody knows tomorrow. Yes.
I'll be holding my destiny.
Now so.
Some people they bubble.
Yeah.
I continue the struggle. They double my hustle.
No, yeah.
I see the same I don't go. Some people
they yeah.
I continue the struggle.
And they look at you now, my you.
Now I'm giving my testimony.
Multiply. Other area, go look for something good. Bring your talent out. I'm not putting for us. God bless you.
I'm living my life.
If you get money, maybe you be billionaire, come plenty, no problem. If you don't get money, please go back to doing that again.
My testimony. I don't chop.
But at the end of the day, na my opinion, na your decision, na your personal matter. God bless you all. Africa, my people. Take care of Mojo.
Life is so delicate.
I'm very yesterday. I'm happy. I'm good. I'm fine.
Some people they bubble.
I'm good. I'm fine. My people,
Some people they bubble.
Africa, my people. Use your brain. Don't repeat what our grandma do. Our parents do. Don't repeat that. So your code according to your size. You don't see condom. when you put, I will come reply you. One of the time for the people now who start saying, no, lazy you, they give it the waka. You want to they hustle, they pay the money, the food, they want the cocoa, and they pay the fee. I'm only in the defense now. That kind of thing. Because they're lazy, they have time to travel. President. And I'm talking to one before you think Cali. I get one for them, I get one for Benjo. Hey! Lazy you! And then you want to come get one for Spain. Hey! We all go see people everywhere. Hey! Jehovah, see, I don't get one for you, I get one for you. People for France, this get. Only next page. They go to me. Me, look at it. Hey! So where really you? One also, I make when I take your nose to Israel. God bless you with that one. God bless you. Hello, people. Hey. You don't chop money. They say it's not easy before. Now, they can't see testimony come out. They don't make money. They use their brain to gather property. Because they are allergic to poverty. I love this music. They use their brain to guard the property because they are allergic to poverty. Hi. Now they don't test money. Now their testimony. I love the music. God bless you, sir, for this wonderful music you gave to us. They motivate you, they get you now. Now my opinion decision. If you like, continue. If you like, continue, but don't insult me. If you don't respect the way I be, I get my body. Fear this teeth we don't break for front. I go reply you. God bless Africa. My people, that's all the matter they end today. Love you all. Take care of mucho. So I have to do something else. To me, I feel continue because today and weekend. Make I have to play with everybody here. I love you. Take care of mucho. Gracias. Cariño. I love you all. God bless European. God bless Africa. God bless everywhere. And me, God bless me too because I not going to stammer like that again. But the grace of God, one day, God will perfect everything. That one ain't become miracle. Because I wake up tomorrow, I can't sit down, I not stammer. Hell! My testimony. My testimony. I wake up tomorrow, I look mirror, these teeth, it don't come back to the way it before. My testimony. But reality be say, I be stammer, I breathe it, so face reality and have right faith. Bye. Love you. Take care of mucho. Adios. See you next week. Ciao. Bye. Adios.